You can turn any song into a full music video in minutes. No editing skills, no camera, just an idea and one insanely smart tool that does the heavy lifting. Let me show you how Freebeat AI works. Freebeat instantly generates a complete music video workflow. Storyboard, scenes, visual concepts, all automatically synced to the beat of the track. It even plans out pacing for you, and when you're ready to post, just remember to include #freebeat.ai. So super simple. So all I'm going to do is make a video for this song. I'm going to choose to have this so we can export in HD later. I'm having auto off so we can look at the scenes individually if I want to make any changes. And we're just going to go ahead and click Bad Dreams by Teddy Swims. Very nice song, very easy. So quite happy with that. And then all I'm going to do is just click create and see what it comes up for me. So if you're new to this, Freebeat is an AI platform built for musicians, artists, or honestly anyone that wants to make a video without actually needing to know editing or animation. Everything runs directly in your browser and the AI handles timing, cuts, transitions, and visuals, everything for you. Now here's where it gets cool. You're not locked into the first version. I can switch the style by typing something like, vintage, anime, aesthetic, or I can change a scene to something more dramatic like, foggy neon alley with a lone guitarist. You can completely swap the vibe, characters, colors, whatever. And if I only want to update one part of the video, I can regenerate just that scene instead of redoing the whole thing. So for this example, I'm going to regenerate scene 1. So I said, make the lights behind him gold instead of blue, and we will see what we get. And there you can see we have gold in the background instead of blue. So it was that simple. And obviously you can delve deeper into all of this, as I said earlier. But now we're going to put this together and see how the individual scene videos look. So the videos have now been generated for each scene. So they're just going to be quick. It's only going to be sort of a 15-second video, but we'll just take a look at this one real quick. And as you can see, it's got that gold that I wanted in the back instead of the blue, which is absolutely perfect for me. So obviously I want to be putting all of these together now. So we're going to see the final product. Okay, so the music video is done. Let's take a look. So as you can see, pretty cool video, nice and clean. Obviously, this is just an example one, but you can see that you can get more specific with it, which is fantastic. Then when you're done, just export the video in HD. And as I said earlier, when we went and selected 1080, that's the HD, and that's what we selected. Therefore, we're going to get that quality of video. So again, if you do want to download it, obviously just click the button here and that's going to do it for you. Now, this is why a lot of creators are using Freebeat for lyric videos, music promos, TikToks, concert visuals, or just to speed up weekly content. And if you want to try it out, I'll drop my referral link in the description. They've got an ambassador system where you can actually earn from it too. Just a few additional points. You can generate multiple cuts from the same song with different aesthetics. It's great for beginners who don't know editing or motion design. It also works well from YouTube, TikTok, promos, album drops, and storytelling videos. It also has an active ambassador program that viewers want to earn from sharing. So if you want to create music videos this fast, jump in and try it yourself on freebeat.ai. Use the link in the description. Tag your creations with #freebeat.ai and see how far you can push the visuals.